Article 45. Provision for free and compulsory education for children. The state shall endeavour to provide within a period of 10 years from the commencement of this Constitution for free and compulsory education for all children until they complete the age of 14 years. Article 21A. Right to Free and Compulsory Education, 86th Amendment Act. The state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children of 6 to 14 years in such manner as the state may by law determine the right of children to free and compulsory education, RTE Act 2009. Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Act 1994. The Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Regulation and Prevention of Misuse Act 1994 was enacted and brought into operation from 1st January 1996 in order to check female feticide. The Act prohibits determination and disclosure of the sex of fetus. It also prohibits any advertisements relating to prenatal determination of sex and prescribes punishment for its contravention. The person who contravenes the provisions of this Act is punishable with imprisonment and fine. Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006. A child is a person who has not completed 21 years of age in case of male and 18 years in case of female. Being a male adult above 18 years of age, contracts of child marriage shall be punishable with rigorous imprisonment which may extend to 2 years or with fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees or with both. The law provides for all support and aid including medical aid, legal aid, counseling and rehabilitation support to children once they are rescued. It gives legal status to all children born from child marriages and makes provisions for their custody and maintenance. It provides for the residence and maintenance of the female contracting party. Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986. The Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986 aims at prohibiting engagement of children aged below 14 in certain hazardous occupations and processes as well as regulating the conditions of services of such children engaged in non-hazardous occupations and processes. Whoever employs any child or permits any child to work in contravention of the provisions of Section 3 shall be punishable with imprisonment of term which shall not be less than 3 months but which may also extend to 1 year or with fine which shall not be less than 10,000 rupees but which may extend to 20,000 rupees or with both. Abatement of suicide of child or insane person. According to IPC Section 305, if any person under 18 years of age, any insane person, any delirious person, any idiot or any person in a state of intoxication commits suicide, whoever abets the commission of such suicide shall be punished with death or imprisonment for life or imprisonment for a term not exceeding 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. Act done with intent to prevent child being born alive or to cause it to die after birth. According to Section 315 in the Indian Penal Code, whoever before the birth of any child does any act with the intention of thereby preventing that child from being born alive or causing it to die after its birth, and does by such act prevent that child from being born alive or causes it to die after its birth, shall, if such act be not caused in good faith for the purpose of saving the life of the mother, be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years or with fine or with both. Causing death of a quick unborn child by act amounting to culpable homicide. According to Section 316 in the Indian Penal Code, whoever does any act under such circumstances that if he thereby caused death of a pregnant woman, he would be guilty of culpable homicide, and does by such act cause the death of a quick unborn child, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. Exposure and abandonment of a child under 12 years by a parent or person having care of it. According to Section 317 in the Indian Penal Code, whoever being the father or mother of a child under the age of 12 years or having the care of such child shall expose or leave such child in any place with the intention of wholly abandoning such child shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 7 years or with fine or with both. Concealment of birth by secret disposal of dead body. According to Section 318 in the Indian Penal Code, whoever by secretly burying or otherwise disposing of the dead body of a child, whether such child die before or after or during its birth, intentionally conceals or endeavors to conceal the birth of such child, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 2 years or with fine or with both. Kidnapping or maiming a minor for purposes of begging. According to Section 363A in the Indian Penal Code, whoever kidnaps any minor or not being the lawful guardian of a minor obtains the custody of the minor in order that such minor may be employed or used for the purposes of begging shall be punishable with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. Whoever maims any minor in order that such minor may be employed or used for the purposes of begging shall be punishable with imprisonment for life and shall also be liable to fine. Where any person not being the lawful guardian of a minor employs or uses such minor for the purposes of begging, it shall be presumed that unless contrary is proved, that he kidnapped or otherwise obtained the custody of that minor in order that the minor might be employed or used for the purposes of begging. In this section, begging means soliciting or receiving alms in a public place, whether under the pretense of singing, dancing, fortune telling, performing tricks, or selling articles or otherwise. Entering on any private premises for the purpose of soliciting or receiving alms. Exposing or exhibiting with the object of obtaining or extorting alms any sore, wound, injury, deformity, or disease, whether of himself or of any other person or of an animal. Using a minor as an exhibit for the purpose of soliciting or receiving alms. Minor means, in case of a male, a person under 16 years of age, and in the case of a female, a person under 18 years of age. Procuration of minor girl. According to Section 366A in the Indian Penal Code, whoever by any means whatsoever induces any minor girl under the age of 18 years to go from any place or to do any act with intent that such girl may be, or knowing that it is likely that she will be forced or seduced to illicit intercourse with another person, shall be punishable with imprisonment which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. Importation of girl from foreign country. According to Section 366B in the Indian Penal Code, whoever imports into India from any country outside India or from the state of Jammu and Kashmir any girl under the age of 21 years with intent that she may be, or knowing it to be likely that she will be, forced or seduced to illicit intercourse with another person shall be punishable with imprisonment which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. Kidnapping or abducting child under 10 years with intent to steal from its person. According to Section 369 in the Indian Penal Code, Whoever kidnaps or abducts any child under the age of 10 years with the intention of taking dishonestly any movable property from the person of such child shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 7 years and shall also be liable to fine. Selling minors for purposes of prostitution, etc. According to Section 372 in the Indian Penal Code, whoever sells, lets to hire, or otherwise disposes of any person under the age of 18 years with intent that such person shall at any age be employed or used for the purpose of prostitution or illicit intercourse with any other person for any unlawful and immoral purpose, or knowing it to be likely that such person will at any age be employed or used for any such purpose, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. Buying minor for purposes of prostitution, etc. According to Section 372 in the Indian Penal Code, whoever buys, hires, or otherwise obtains possession of any person under the age of 18 years with intent that such person shall at any age be employed or used for the purpose of prostitution or illicit intercourse with any person or for any unlawful and immoral purpose, or knowing it to be likely that such person will at any age be employed or used for any such purpose, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine.